Well, it seems like every day we are learning new information about the Delphi murders case, and today is no exception.
That's right. So let's get you updated here. Attorneys for defendant Richard Allen are again pushing back against the judge for how she's handled some important documents. So our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel joins us again today to explain why the judge in this murder case really continues to be the center of attention here.
Yeah, Richard Allen and his attorneys are not happy with the judge at all, going all the way to the Indiana Supreme Court to ask that the judge be removed from the case. We're still waiting to hear about that. But in the meantime, we can tell you that they also claim the judge has been withholding important case documents from the public, and they want the high court to stop that. Last week, Judge Fran Gall responded, telling the Supreme Court she has not improperly withheld Delphi court documents from public view, and that she's already ordered the records to be posted where the public can easily find them. So, right now she said that there is no need for the high court to get involved because the issues are already resolved. But this morning, Allen's attorneys filed their own response, telling the court the judge is wrong. They say most of the records in question still do not appear online, and that the judge has repeatedly misunderstood and misapplied rules about how to handle court records. They also claim the judge ordered the Carroll County clerk to violate those rules and then tried to blame the clerk for the problems. Allen's attorneys say the violations by the judge are shocking, and they're asking the Supreme Court to intervene and to order corrections. So that's where we stand right now.
So do we know when the court is going to rule on that?
Well, it could be any day now. It could be a few weeks. We really don't know that. The bigger issue, though, right now before the Supreme Court is whether to keep Judge Gall on the case at all or to replace her. Also, whether to reinstate Allen's original defense team, which the judge disqualified a few weeks ago. So all this is just a big distraction as Richard Allen tries to defend himself against murder charges, and as the families of Libby German and Abby Williams look for justice following the teenagers' murders.
And again, this seems like day after day we have more drama, and this comes right after some other documents in the case were just released.
Yeah, those were released yesterday. Right now, Rich Nye is taking a closer look at those documents. They detail a closed-door conversation in private between the judge and Allen's former legal team. Rich has got new perspective on what those documents show, and that's going to be coming up at 5 o'clock.